Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get or enable face tracking on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to tap on three dot. Now you have to go to in settings. Now you have to go to in privacy. So to get face tracking on Roblox, you just need to enable one setting, and that is a camera. You have to enable camera from privacy to get face tracking. Once you enable camera, just tap on this toggle button to enable it, and so Roblox will use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. Once you enable it, the green dot indicates that Roblox is using your camera, so the green dot will be appear in the game itself. So when you open any game and if it supports camera as communication, then you can do face tracking on that in that game. So let's open any game. So this game supports camera. Let's open this game. As you can see in communication, you can see the microphone and camera. It means it will do support face tracking. So let's open it and see how can we do face tracking. So to get face tracking, guys, once you enter the game, now let me adjust a little bit so you can see that you can find two symbol over my head. One is for the microphone, one is for the voice chat, and other is the video icon, which is for the face tracking. So once you enable the camera in the privacy, now it's time to enable it, and just tap on this video icon and you will get this face cam over the avatar's head, and you can keep this face cam anywhere you want. And also in face cam you will see or notice the green dot. It means Roblox using a camera. It's an indication. So there's another way you can do. You can enable the face cam, and that is you have to tap on above Roblox icon, and now you can again tap on this video icon to enable it and disable it. So wherever you can find the video icon, just tap on it and you will get the face tracking in the game. Hope you like it. For more video like this, please subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.